Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So in my previous tutorial I shown you how to draw this mechanical drawing. So there is another option. This radius will be drawn from the inside like this. So I will show you how to draw this. So what I am going to do, I am going to simply copy this because I already show you how to draw this. So I am going to copy this one here and let me erase all these dimensions first. Okay, so let me erase this all the dimension, let us erase, and now we have to select this one and erase now. So this is how we have to remove first this, and we have to draw this radius from inside. So what I am going to do, I am going to use the same circle here, same command, tan radius. So I am going to select this tan radius and now specify the first point. So what we will do, you have to select here inside of this circle, and here a second point is also inside, and you have to provide the radius dimension of this radius. So is 98. So 98, enter. See, this drawn from inside. Okay, so I will show you here. Let me copy this one. CO. So it is drawn. Okay, so tr double enter. I'm going to trim first. So tr double enter. So trim here. So that's you have to trim, and you have to match now. It's wrong. Let me draw again. You have to select here. Okay, and now here. Okay, so it's drawn like this. Now tr double enter. So I'm going to trim this extra line. Okay, and trim here also. Okay, like now you have to match this. So from this is the second option. Let us move this, type in move command. So this is the second option for mechanical parts. So what I mean to explain you, you have to select. We have to select as per your requirement. You have to select the tangent as per your requirement. So for the outer radius, you have to select here outside of this chord, and if you want to draw inside, you have to select here inside of this circle. It will draw. So I will show you again. So let me copy this again here. Select this and erase it. Now we have to select this tan command. So tan. Now I want to draw this radius from outside. So I'm going to select it here. Okay, and another point is second point is here, and already value radius value is already entered 98. You simply press enter. So it has been drawn from outside. Now you have to trim this tr double enter. Trim the extra line. Okay, and now you have to match, use match property, select the source object and destination object. So it is drawn like this. Okay, so I think you guys learn how to draw this inside and outside radius. Okay, now we have to use the dimension, do the dimensioning for this one also. So DLI, type DLI, select this point and this point. Now you have to select this line and you have to select this center. You can select from here to here. Okay, now we have to use the radius. Show the radius of this circle. Also radius of this circle, and radius of inside circle, and these two are diameter. So I have to show the diameter. Select the diameter command and you have to show the diameter of this circle. Just press enter button to repeat the command, and this. Okay, so I think you guys learn how to draw these both options in mechanical drawing. So in the next tutorial we have to show you the another type of mechanical drawing. So if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box, and thank you for watching my video. Please keep watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed, and please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.